shit for one more time.
Exactly.
No,
I got the good tape. The actual. Where I put that tape?
Making noise at night.
No! We work hard on this door! When people want to go be nosy, so they trying to take trash out.
I'm trying to take trash out because I don't mean.
No, you're not. Y'all want to take the trash out to be nosy of what's going on outside. Whatever, girl.
That's something to bag.
So, some stuff happened. Somebody got robbed. Supposed to be guns involved. I gotta be the mom and say we gotta stay in the house so we don't
locked the door when I heard this.
We don't get in the mix, and it's going on in our building.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
As it be.
Great. Just me and Mia left. I don't want to go outside. I'm precious cargo. Cucumbers and tomatoes. Cucumber, 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 cucumber.
I'm tired of these damn cucumbers and tomatoes. With the ranch. Blowing my shit for real.
Listen, it's good. Cucumbers and tomatoes. Cucumbers and tomatoes. With the ranch on the side. What song is that I'm singing?
Your own.
No, I'm singing chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. With a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup.
Please stop.
It's like a trash spilled on me.
Oh. Bitch, it was doing that when you dragged it out.
Bitch.
I just.
This shit is trash.
But it's not funny. Bitch, if you don't
Never take the trash out. That's not your own trash. Right. Because you'll get ruined and it'll get all over your shoes.
Yeah. I messed up my
Uggs. I won't take out their trash ever again.
It's so funny because it's like.
But we took out the trash when we got back and nothing happened. It was because you tried to do it on being sneaky.
No. When I did back in J, it was the kindness of my heart. I was like, let me take
I did that out the kindness of my heart.
It's alright. When the trash bags run out,
I'm so sad.
I'm not buying no more trash bags. So
all she's gonna do.
somebody get motherfucking tased in this bitch and somebody get sliced and diced.
synthetic ass fur.
Exactly.
Girl.
You're greasy as fuck.
This is great fur.
Your fur shiny.
At least my shit don't look
Greasy. Mine look great. Floss. Glossy.
Spiky.
Liddy. Titty. I don't cuss as much as me.
Y'all use the bad
No.
too.
If you count how many times you say the B word, it's very bad. I noticed that when me, you and Ronnie go to the store, I have to tell y'all. Remember we went to Food Line, y'all just are cussing it up, and there's little kids in the aisle. I'm like, oh my god. Yes, mom.
And look, as soon as you say, I was say,
yeah, exactly.
I was looking at you and say,
It's a bad habit.
no,
That's my favorite word.
One time I almost said it to my mom.
No, you cuss
She
more
was
than
like,
me.
what the hell you doing? I was like, bitch.
Ooh.
Mind my business.
I am about to go out to eat with my friends. I'm hungry. I had some chicken noodle soup earlier, but we're about to get hibachi, so I want steak and shrimp. So I'm about to go there with some girls, and I guess I'll take you guys along with me. Leaving anything. I have a big project that's due at midnight. Hold on, let me see what time it is. And we're gonna go eat, and then once I come back here, I really have to submit my project. So my coat. But the project is basically done. Like, my paper is already written. Turn the lights on. Come on, Promenade. Everybody, let's go. Y'all, I want you to understand how burr it is outside. It is burr. Woo, it's cold. Burr, burr. It's cold out here. It must be some atmosphere. I'm so happy. That's the food dance. I'm eating. I'm about to eat. I'm about to eat. I'm so excited. You guys, it's cold in here. This soup is amazing.
Oh no, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's really not.
I love this soup. You don't like this soup?
No.
I don't like any of it.
Totes.
Soup good to me. You don't like this kind of soup?
Let me see.
What do you mean let you see? You always wanted to try something.
Totes.
I don't like sharing.
I don't care.
Dang, get out. Like, it's not even that serious.
That's totally gross.
How are you?
Hello.
No, you need to tell them nasty.
Double rice? Double rice?
Good.
And then the extra noodles.
Okay. The chicken and shrimp, double rice, and the noodles.
Chicken, shrimp.
Steak and shrimp.
Steak and shrimp.
Oyami sauce?
Annie, yum, yum. Yum, thank you so much. Good day over here.
Mix it up.
Had to stop in the beauty supply store for some goodies. Some hair goodies. They outside beeping the horn because I guess we taking too long. Who you beeping the horn at? Oh, oh!
This got us messed up.
I don't know who y'all think y'all is. Okay?
Don't do that.
So don't even. So you gonna beat the
Open the door.
Play games?
Open the door. Woo! It's in her pocket. Open the door. It's in her pocket. It's in your pocket. You didn't get it, Dave?
I seen her at the thing.
What
You
the
only put
hell?
one thing in the bag. So fuck now.
You play too much. Go back and get that drink.
Go get it. We're trying to get lit.
Let's go to the liquor store.
Go get it. We're trying to get lit.
I told you she got it. It's in her pocket. Guys, I'm really sad and just like disappointed in myself and mad at myself. So my final project for my International Trade and Retailing Issues class was due last night by midnight. However, Blackboard was down and she extended the deadline, and she emailed us and she said that she was extending the deadline to 12 p.m. I was in class at the time and I just looked at the email and was like, okay, 12 p.m. the assignment's due at midnight. I don't know, I was just thinking it was due at midnight. All of our other assignments have been due at midnight, so I just was like, yeah, okay. She extended to Saturday at midnight. So when I was going, it's 9:53 right now. I like called my mom and vented, but at 9 o'clock I was going to submit my my paper and my PowerPoint, and the like link was down. So I'm like, why can't I submit it? So I'm looking and I go back to the email and it said 12 p.m. meaning 12 noon and not 12 a.m. midnight. And I was just like, oh my god. So I emailed the teacher and I basically apologized and said that I misread her email, and I said, can you please accept my final project? And I included my PowerPoint and my paper. And I'm just like, oh my god, I'm so disappointed in myself because my stuff was done. Like, I had it done. It wasn't like I had to do it. I just came in the house from eating, looked over it to see any additional changes, and I was ready to submit it. So I could have did that this morning, but I'm just so mad at myself, and I really hope, like, you know, she takes it, because it was really an honest mistake. Like, I just have so many assignments due. Like, keeping up with all the assignments in all my other classes is really difficult when you're taking 8 classes. So I'm so mad at myself. So my mom told me to pray on it, and hopefully, you know, she accepts my final project. If not, that would be horrible, because I would have to take the course over, and oh my god, like I think I would have a freaking meltdown breakdown if she does not accept this. Yeah, but anyways, okay, it's Saturday. I have a 5-page paper due on Monday. I have this assignment due on Monday. I already did majority of it. I printed out all my questions. Now I just have to like cut out some pictures and create a collage. What else is done? Oh, I'm just like overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. This is how it is at the end of the semester though, so I knew. I'm just I'm ready to not be in school anymore. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. My mom told me to pray on the situation, you know, that, you know, she accepts my project. And my project is good too. Like, it's good. Okay, guys. I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm about to go hang out with my friends. I think they're playing Uno or something. But tonight's just a chill night, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm stressing. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.